You're under arrest.
What you didn't see happen just now was a proper way to arrest someone. Not only did the officer not apprehend the suspect correctly, he didn't inform the suspect of rights. This is a violation of the 5th and 6th Amendment, and if an officer does not inform you of your rights before interrogating you, any information shared cannot be used to prosecute you. Now you will witness never before seen top secret footage of the interrogation.
Sit down. Tell me what you did.
I did anything wrong.
You know you did
I
it.
didn't do anything wrong.
You know you
I
did
didn't do
it.
anything wrong.
You know you
I
did
did
it.
anything wrong.
Admit to it.
I'm not gonna
Sign the paper.
No.
Admit to it.
No.
Sign it right now. Sign the
You
paper.
can't make
Sign
me-
it.
you
Sign the
can't-
paper.
You
Sign
can't
the
make
paper.
me. This is illegal.
Sign the
This
paper.
is not right.
Sign the paper.
Here, the petitioner, Ernesto Miranda, was interrogated by the Arizona police force. The respondents and blatantly denied his rights. The arguments Miranda has against the police are that they didn't read him his rights, and the arguments against him are that he confessed. The issue involved was the violation of the self-incrimination clause in the 5th Amendment, as well as the clause in the 6th Amendment that states you have the right to an attorney while being interrogated. Some legal precedents we found for this case were Chambers v. Florida and Ashcraft v. Tennessee. Both were cases of bad interrogation. The alternatives, if there are any, are that Miranda be only convicted if enough evidence proves him to be guilty. Besides that, know your rights.
Today we're here for the Miranda versus Arizona trial. Prosecuting side, you may start. Looking at this piece of evidence right here, you knowingly knew your
No,
rights.
I didn't have my lawyer
lied.
with me in the room.
I
What are
was
you
under the
talking
law.
there and I saw you.
No, my lawyer was not
She's
there
telling
when
the
you questioned
truth.
me.
You are not.
No, you abused
You are in
my...
contempt of court. You kidnapped that girl and you raped her. Defendant side, it's your turn.
Your Honor, I believe my client is innocent. He was not read his rights.
And she wasn't there when they interrogated me. They pushed me. They isolated me. They made me not eat. They starved me. They hit me. They slapped me. They punched me. They threw me on the floor. They didn't feed me for 2 days because of this accusation.
Your Honor, with this signature right here, he knowingly knew this. You're in contempt of
This
court.
does not mean anything. Y'all never read me my rights. My lawyer was not there. I was tortured by the police department. And that's not fair.
I will review all the evidence and I will come back with my decision. It is the court's decision that Mr. Ernesto Miranda's rights were violated. Therefore, from now on, in an interrogation, a lawyer must be present, and during an arrest, the rights shall be read.
The right to remain silent. Anything I say can and will be used against me in a court of law. I have the right to a lawyer and have him present with me while I'm being questioned. If I cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent me before any questioning, and I wish to invoke this right now. I have decided to exercise these rights and not to answer any questions, nor shall I make any statements. I advise you to write down a copy of this notice and be sure it is entered into any records.
What you gonna do?